This is a brutally honest, simple, efficient plan to become a tattoo artist in 2025. Look, I've been a tattoo artist for over a decade and I now run the largest online tattoo school in the world. No joke, we checked. The numbers are right. This may seem biased in the beginning, but there's a huge amount of proof to it. So the first of 3 vital steps that you need to take to become a tattoo artist is obviously we need to learn how to tattoo, don't we? You can do that by jumping around on YouTube. Let's be honest, we're just all going to get lost, aren't we? Doing one thing then another. Or you can just follow a structured plan where one lesson naturally progresses and follows on from next. So it's your choice. You can either get lost or you can just have somebody that guides you every step of the way. So that could either be an apprenticeship in person, that one-to-one guidance, or a virtual online apprenticeship where you can watch the videos 1,000 times until it sinks into your head. It imprints it into your brain, like having a massive concrete stamp on your head. You're never going to forget it because you can just repeat it again and again and again until it sinks in. I'd recommend everybody, look, we've got to start with the fundamentals. If that's you and you're just starting out, there's a link in description to the fundamentals course. It's 39 lessons long, super simple to follow day by day for 30 days. Within that 30 days, you're going to go from never holding a machine to have completed tons of full tattoos. If you don't believe me, it's the largest school in the world. We checked the numbers, the proof is in the pudding, the reviews don't lie. Just take a look, you'll be happy that you did. You don't have to take my word for it. Cool, so assuming that you've now got a plan to learn, the second thing, we need to make people around us aware that we're actually practicing. So maybe think of it almost like a pre-launch to starting a business, because that's essentially what it is. You need to let everybody know I'm going down this route, I'm learning this particular skill, and start to get a crowd of people, start to get a list of customers, potential customers for in the future. Otherwise, if you don't do that, you're going to get to the stage where, hold on Ben, I'm actually ready to start tattooing people now, and there's nobody there because nobody knew that you've been doing this. We don't have to learn to tattoo in the shadows anymore. It's not, you're not doing anything wrong, all right? It's a growing industry. There's thousands of artists out there, and there's even more customers waiting to get tattooed by somebody that they want to choose. That could be you. I didn't do this particular tip and I saw the consequences of that. I opened my first shop. Nobody knew that I was tattooing. Nobody knew that I'd opened a shop. I literally thought, right, the grand opening, and then we sat twiddling my fucking thumbs all week, all right? As you can imagine, I had bills to pay, family to support, home to run. This were a massive problem and I learned the hard way. There were multiple times at the beginning of my career where I was almost forced to just hook the machines up and that were it, because I couldn't financially afford to carry on. I had to make some changes, and I just wish that somebody had told me, look Ben, before you open a shop, why not just let everybody know that you're tattooing and build your audience before you jump in with 2 feet. So that's what I'm trying to get you to do now. I don't know why people overlook this next tip. Learn to take better pictures. For some reason, everybody that's shocking at taking photos thinks I'm a professional photographer. They've never actually studied it or looked into it or tried to learn what is involved in actually a good picture. The lighting, the composition, the way the body's positioned. Really spend some time learning, all right, this is how I currently take a picture of the tattoo once I've done it. How can I actually improve that to represent my work in the best way possible? Because I'll be honest, myself included, for them first few years, the pictures that I took of my work were absolutely shocking. The work itself in person, I used to finish a tattoo and think, yeah, I've done really good with this one. And then take a shit photo of it and post it on my socials expecting people to say, wow, that's such an amazing tattoo, I want to come in and book. It looked rubbish on the photo, but it looked really good in person. And I see this now, even now, so often across the industry. Messing background, not a dedicated area in the shop or the studio, wherever it is, to actually take the pictures so it creates a bit of branding. People know it's been done by you instantly before they even look at the work, just because of the style of the picture. Nobody's doing it, or a very small percentage of people are. And it's funny, ironic even, that the ones that are doing this are the ones that are becoming successful. The social media is growing, they've got a ton of people wanting to book in with them. It's not that they're the best tattooist, but their socials look a particular way. The quality of the pictures look a particular way. We need to start learning. It's not just all about the tattoos. What do I need to improve and learn, as well as the tattooing? And taking a good photo is right at the top of the list. Oh, 2 seconds, and a quick tip is schedule the posts out. So you're taking the amazing photo photos now, hopefully. Do the research, learn how to take a good photo. But then don't be just sat there every day thinking, right, I've got to put a post on, all right? I'm a massive advocate of work less for better rewards. So if you can schedule your month's worth of posts out in half a day, that's it then. You can focus on what you actually enjoy doing, which is the tattooing. Throughout my entire career, and especially now, I watch people grow in the industry. I study all the successful artists. I've never seen anybody do these 3 tips and not grow as a tattooist and as a business owner. It is impossible to start failing while you're implementing these 3 things. Anything beyond this, then you can find it on the channel. If you want to grow your business or become a better artist, there's a video on this channel somewhere that's going to answer the questions that you've got. It's the best channel for becoming a better tattoo artist in the world, not just on YouTube. If you're struggling with fundamentals, listen, whether you're just getting into tattooing, or we've got people on course that's been in game for years, don't matter what level you're at or where you're at or how long you've been doing it, go check out in the description, there's a link to fundamentals course. It's $27, it's 39 lessons, it's fucking jam-packed of information. It'll take you from never holding the machine to doing some pretty cool designs, to be fair. So I'll see you in there. Don't forget, we've got loads of stuff on the channel. Make sure you go check it out. As always, give it a thumbs up and I'm going to give you mine. If you've been on channel a few times, you know what's coming. I'll see you in the next one.